Hello and welcome back everyone. The Unity May Madness sale is live, and I'd like to spend the next couple of days doing reviews of packages to help you guys decide if different packages are worth it or not. Generally, I like to use packages that help me author content such as SURFORGE, which you can use to make textures, or AMPLIFY shader editor, which can be used to create amazing materials. Both of those are on sale right now, as opposed to static assets like characters or vehicles, which have the potential to force you into an art style that might be hard to maintain. So I like authoring tools basically, but I'm open to reviewing anything. So let me know that in the comments what packages you guys would like to see reviewed. There is a link in the description which will take you to the asset store with this on sale equals yes flag enabled, so you can see literally everything in the sale. And there's like 60 pages of amazing assets that you guys can peruse. So feel free to look through those if you're interested. And just a few more details about the sale itself. So they're doing 50% off of top assets. I don't know how they define top assets, but there's a lot of things that are half off, and then the runners-up get 30% off. And then every single day there will be one thing that is 70% off. And I'm going to try to make reviews for that one 70% off thing. Unless you guys give me other things that you want to see. So let me know in the comments again what you want to see. The first one is cinematic anti-aliasing, which I have not tried yet, but it looks pretty cool and I'm definitely interested in checking that out. I also plan on doing a countdown of my top 5 Unity assets. If you watch this channel regularly, you should be able to guess at least the top 2. But yeah, I'll talk about what I look for in terms of functionality and reusability between projects, and what I think makes an asset really good. So if any of this sounds interesting, feel free to subscribe. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.